Hi everyone, you can make high quality vector icons for free and stick around till the very end of this video, because I'm about to reveal a game changing secret that can help you earn more. And no, this isn't clickbait. These are 100% original vectors without using Illustrator, without drawing anything, and without paying a dime. Just go to recraft.ai, make a free account, and type a simple prompt like coffee cup. Type what you want, choose your style, flat, 2D, line art, clay, whatever, and boom. It gives you perfect SVG icons ready to go. You want bold, minimal, cute, corporate? It does all of it. And yeah, you can download them in SVG or PNG. Totally free, high res, zero watermark. You can select any style you like. I am going with pictogram. Let's see how will it appear. Looks okay, but we tweak it in Illustrator and make it according to our choice. From here you can save your icon in SVG format. Your output is totally depends on your prompt. So make it more descriptive and clear so that it can generate your output betterly. This time let's try minimalistic coffee cup icon with smooth lines, soft shadows and white background, flat vector style. And yes, you can paint your output with vibrant hues or pick a shade that perfectly captures your style. The color palette is all yours. Let's see another one, minimalist shopping cart icon. Here is our output. Recraft AI gives you 50 credits each day for free and you can generate maximum 2 images per prompt. Here it comes my fave style, doodle one. We try this one to make in the same prompt. This first output looks better than the second one. Now we will see minimalistic coffee cup in doodle style. Wow, the output looks pretty nice. Let's generate one more minimalistic gift box. The icons looks good. We can also change their color if we want to. The cherry on top, you can use these outputs for your projects or sell them to earn money hassle-free. To know how and from where to earn, you can check this video, showing in your link button.